Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be discussing infographic and image file formats. An infographic is basically a visual way to present information. Instead of reading a long report full of words, we can just look at an infographic, which shows the same data but in charts, diagrams, or pictures. It is easier for us to understand something at a glance when it is visual. For example, I give you a table full of numbers. It might be boring, right? But if I turn into colorful chart, you'll quickly see the trends and comparisons. So, in short, infographic makes data simple, fast to understand, and more engaging. In making an infographic, there are five important elements to consider. First, thesis or story. You need a clear main idea. What is the message of your infographic? Second, data. Your information must be accurate and organized to support the main idea. Third, simplicity. Keep it clean. Do not overload with text. Use your use your own color palette and illustration. Four, sources. Always cite where you got your data. That way, your infographic is credible and trustworthy. 5. Branding or shareability. Make it creative so people will want to share it. Think of infographic you see on Facebook or Instagram. They are they're eye-catching because they're designed well. So basically, a good infographic is clear, simple, reliable, and creative. If you want to make your own infographic but don't know how to design from scratch, there are websites that can help you. First, Pictochart. Second, Canva. Third, Venngage. Fourth, Infogram. These websites provide templates where you can just insert your data, choose your colors, and add icons or charts. This makes it easy even for students like us to create professional looking infographic. Image file formats. When we put graphic on the web or infographic, the file type we use matters. Different formats have different purposes. The main ones are JPEG, GIF, BMP, TIFF, and PNG. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. It is the most popular image format used on the internet. The good thing about JPEG it is keep the files size small by compressing the images. The downside it is loses some quality, but even with some loss of detail, JPEG is still widely used because it is great for photos where color and detail are important. Photographers, photographers, graphic designers, and even medical imaging specialists are used JPEG. GIF stands for Graphic Interchange Format. It can only show up to 256 colors, so it's not good for realistic photos, but it is awesome for simple designs like cartoons, logos, or animations. You probably know GIFs from memes and your creation images online. BMP stands for Bitmap Image File. This format is used mostly in Microsoft Windows. It's uncompressed, which means it has really large files. BMP images are made of millions of pixels, and each pixel stores color information. This makes them high quality but not practical for the web because they take up to too much memory and don't scale well. PIFF stands for Tagged Image File Format. It was created for desktop publishing and later managed by Adobe. PIFF files are very high quality because they store all the image data and colors. This makes them excellent for printing, graphic design, and professional storage. And last, PNG or Portable Network Graphics. This was developed as an alternative to GIF. Unlike GIFs, PNG supports full colors and has better quality. It's great for line art, text, and logos since it keeps sharp edges clear. The downside is that PNG files are larger than JPEGs, so they're not always the best choice for photos. But for logos and graphics on websites, PNG is perfect. Infographic help us to understand information easily, and knowing the right image format makes our work clearer and better. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for listening.